Hello, welcome to my channel. This short video is going to be a video on me trying to correct the headlights, which have gotten really cloudy on one of my vehicles. So I'll be using these products here, the Griot's Garage Correcting Cream, Polish, Perfecting Cream, Finishing Sealant. Then I'm going to detox it with the Ethos and then put some graphene coating on it, ceramic coating, to help protect it. Be using the 3-inch pads, and there's the Orbital, Griot's Orbital that I'll be using. And then here's kind of how the lens looks on the current vehicle that I'm going to be working on. This is my wife's GLE400, and you can see its lenses have had better days. This is a 2016 model, so yeah. Anyway, wish me luck. Okay, I have my Orbital, Griot's Garage Orbital. I'm going to add the correcting cream to the 3-inch pad. Just a little dabble, like so. And we're going to let it go to work here. Okay, you can see it took a little out. I think I'm going to have to put a little more and agitate a little more. By the way, that first pass was set at 3. I'm going to move it up to a 4 notch now. Okay, hit it with the, still on the correcting cream. I moved the Orbital up to speed 4, and I'm just going to wipe it off and just see kind of how it's starting to look. Yeah, you can you can just tell how it's already taken out a lot of that cloudiness. So I'm going to do a little more, and then I'm going to move on to the other correcting creams and try to make that thing look better than factory new. Okay, I'm going to start on the right headlight here. Still have the correcting cream, so we'll just go ahead and get this one going. Take it down to 3 to start with. Okay, still with the correcting cream, I just moved the Orbital up to speed 4. Okay, I'm just going to wipe off the correcting cream. You can kind of get a sense of how it's turning out. Pretty clear. Just with that one, I've got some marks here that I got to get, and one high spot there, but I'll do that next. Okay, let's see if we got those minor imperfections out that were left. Still have some build up here, so I'm going to hit it with the speed 5 now and see if that helps. Okay, we turned Orbital up to 5, and we're going to try to get this one streak down here and see if we can get that. Okay, let's see if that helped, moving up the speed on the Orbital. See if we were able to get into that a little more. Still some there. I think what I'm going to try now is I'll try to hit it with the polish, complete polish. Okay, going to try the complete polish. Let's see if that'll take out that stubborn area there at the bottom. Okay, got to move this to a 3. Back to a 3 using the complete polish this time. Okay, I had it started using the complete polish and kind of moved on to that, and yeah, I think it took it out. Huh. All right, well, you can definitely see a difference in how clear that is at this stage compared to when we started. But now I'm going to hit it with the finishing polishes. Okay, I moved on to the perfecting cream and a new pad, finishing pad, black pad. Hopefully you can see that there. All right, wish me luck. It's still working the correcting key. I just moved it up to speed 5. Okay, finished with the correcting cream on this one. Just gotta wipe it off. Yeah, it's looking good. Wow. That's amazing. But I still have one polish to go. But I'm going to do the other lens while I have the pad on. So stay tuned. Okay, just moved over to the driver's side headlamp. Still using the correcting cream on the black pad. I switched over to the black pad. Just kind of dial this in. Orbital is on speed 5. Let's just go ahead and wipe that off. I mean, you can tell. Look at that. That looks like a brand new headlamp. Hopefully I get that in the video. Yep, looks good. Alrighty. So one last step before I end up using the graphene coating. Okay, last compound is a finishing sealant for perfecting the finish. So, gotta get that going here. Alrighty. Gonna leave, probably hit this one on speed 6. Why not? I'm going to wipe off the finishing sealant. I don't know, looks pretty good to me. Okay, moved on to the passenger side headlamp. This is the last polish. The finishing sealant, and I got the orbital set on 6. Okay, I'm going to wipe off finishing sealant. Still have a little here that I can see. Alright, I'm going to have to hit that. I don't like that, so stay tuned. Okay folks, pretty much done with the polishing steps. Came out pretty good. Definitely improvement over the original conditions that these were in. Remember, this is a 216 car. It's been sitting pretty much in the elements its entire life. So not too bad. I'm glad they actually polished up pretty good. So next I'm going to use the Detox and put the V2 graphene coating on it and we'll be done. Okay, going to just decontaminate the lenses with the Ethos Detox. Hopefully you can see that. That'll be the step prior to applying the coating on there. Shine up pretty good, huh? Yeah. Very nice. All right, let me do the other side. All righty. Okay, one last video right before the graphene coating goes on them, but you can see kind of how they've turned out. I think they've turned out pretty good. Okay, going to be putting the coating on using the graphene from Ethos V2 Graphene. Going to shake that bottle really good. Put just a few drops on the applicator pad. You can see there, probably more than I should. And let's go ahead and coat this sucker. Alright, that one's done. It'll flash pretty quickly here. It's somewhat of a warm day. December 12th, or no, December 8th, 2024. You can see the rainbow color now has come off. So now I can hit it with the towel to just knock off and level it. So you got kind of the rainbow effect. I'm gonna go ahead and knock it down. And that's the finished product there. All right, let me do the other side. Okay, same deal. Just put a few drops here. The applicator pad. And let's go ahead and coat. All right, go ahead and kind of knock it down a little, level it. There you go. Looks pretty good to me. I'll show you a close-up video.